This electric knife sharpener will quickly sharpen, restore, and polish your blades very easily. It has a two-stage sharpening system. It actually combines a rough stage for quick repairs and a fine stage for a polished, burr-free edge. In just 60 seconds, your knives are as good as new. It also has a multifunctional sharpener that works on scissors and even slotted screwdrivers. It's super easy to use, and it's a perfect addition to your kitchen if you happen to have some really nice knives that you'd like to keep sharpened, or a thoughtful gift like I'm buying this one for my dad. Now, I know that this gift is going to allow him to cut meats and prep food anytime he's wanting to have a family barbecue, and he's no longer going to have to struggle with finding that one sharp knife among the handful of dull ones that are in the drawer. Now, I had to try this out, and this did a fantastic job on each of the knives I tried. It was super easy to use, it will be easy to store, and it even has a magnetic dumping tray that will hold on to all of the shavings while sharpening, and then you can easily wash it off in between uses.